I am Dr. T. Srilata, Assistant Professor of Botany, Pingley Government Degree College for Women, Vadapelli, Varangal. Today we discuss about Mucor fungi. The classification of Mucor, class Gyromycotina, Mucorales, order, family Mucoraceae. So common name is bread mold. So Rhizopus and Mucor, they are called bread mold. So we can see the clear picture here. The bread present, the mucor present on the bread. So this is mucor fungus. So first it is in white in color, and not only bread, they are found in jams, chutneys, pickles, etc. So it is not parasite, it is one saprophyte. So coming to the vegetative structure of the mucor. So the mucor enter into the host cell and they forms mycelium, and the mycelium produces haustoriums. Haustorium absorb the food material and it produces absorb the food material and it gives to the mycelium, and it helps to gives to the mycelium, and the complete mycelium spreads. The youngest mycelium, it is in white color, and then complete formation of mycelium undergoes to reproduction. So it is filamentous, branched. So we can see the clear picture here. It is filamentous, branched, cenocytic. Coming to the cell structure, the cell wall is made up by chitin and cytoplasm. So many nucleus present in the cytoplasm, and storage food is glycogen. So coming to the reproduction. So reproduction takes place by three types: vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. So coming to the vegetative reproduction, it takes place by three types: fragmentation, chlamydospores, and ionospores. So fragmentation. Coming to the fragmentation, the thallus accidentally it is broken into small pieces, and the broken piece can develop as a new thallus. That is called fragmentation. So second, coming to the chlamydospores. So here chlamydospores, the food is not available. So the food is not available, then the mucor undergoes to chlamydospores, chlamydospore reproduction. So here the chlamydospores, the cells are forms very thick cell wall. The cells forming very thick cell wall, and that cell is called chlamydospore. That cell is called chlamydospore. So this chlamydospore separated from the thallus, and they produces new mucor thallus. They enter into the another food, and they forms one germination tube, and they produces mycelium. So next, coming to the ionospores. So here ionospores, the food is more available. So the sugars are food more available. The fungus undergoes to ionospores. So each cell turn into ionospore. So it is look like one chain like structure. So each cell change into ionospore, so that ionospores separated from the host cell and enter into the new breads or new chutneys, new food material, and they forms fungus. So next, coming to the sexual reproduction. So here we can see the clear picture here. So the mycelium produces one long elongated structures that is called sporangiosperms. Long elongated structures, that is called sporangiosperms, and that long elongated structure having so many nucleus and so many vacuoles. So many nucleus and so many vacuoles. So then the vacuoles are broken up and they produces one dome shaped structure, one half moon structure, that is called columella. So we can see the picture, green color dome shaped structure, that is called columella. So the columella, middle of the part is called columella. It is in dome shaped structure. So then the columella covered to the sporangiosperm. So the columella covered to the sporangiosperm, sporangium, the columella covered to the sporangium, and the sporangium produces spores. So that spores are did not have flagella, so that spores are called aplanospores. So aplanospores. So columella, the sporangium covered to the columella totally covered by the sporangium, and sporangium having so many spores here. So the spores are they did not have any flagella, so the spores are called aplanospores. So here complete formation of aplanospores. So outer layer ruptures. Here we can see the clear picture here. So outer layer ruptures and the aplanospores are enter into the air. The aplanospores are enter into the air, and they enter into the food material like breads, jams, chutneys, etc. So they are enter into the food material, and the aplanospores forms germination tube, and they forms fungus thallus. So coming to the sexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction, here there is no sexual organs, there is no antheridium, there is and ascogonium. So here only strains are there, one plus strain and minus strain fusions with each other. So there is no antheridium and ascogonium. So here coming to the sexual reproduction, so two mycelium thallus comes together, the mycelium thallus comes together, and one mycelium having plus strain and another mycelium having minus strain. So plus strain and minus strain thallus comes together, and they attached with each other, and they forms one short branch, and they forms one short branch, and they attached with each other. When they attached with each other, they found at the top, when they attached with each other, that attached place, they forms one round shaped structures. They attached when the attached place when the attached place, they forms one round shape structure, both plus strain and minus strain. They forms one, we can see the second diagram, second picture. So they forms one round shape structure, and then plus strain and minus strain enter into the that swallow shape structure, and they forms one, they fusions with each other, and plus nucleus and minus nucleus fusions with each other, and they forms one zygote. So the zygote in diploid stage, and that place forms two layers, outer layer very thick and tuberculate layer, and inner layer is very thin layer, and they forms one round shape structure, and that is called zygospore. We can see the third diagram. So that is called zygospore. So here only one nucleus is there, that is in diploid stage. So that nucleus undergoes to meiosis division, and that nucleus undergoes to meiosis division, and it is divided into 4 haploid nucleus. So 4 haploid spores, and these 4 haploid spores undergoes to so many divisions, and they produces so many spores. So the zygospore take rest for 2 or 3 months, or food is available. When the food is available, the zygospore forms one long elongated structure. The zygospore forms one long elongated structure that is called sporangiospore. And outer round shaped structure, sporangium is present, and the sporangium produces spores. The spores are they did not have any flagella, so they are called aplanospores. So the aplanospores, so the outer layer ruptures. When the outer layer ruptures, and the aplanospores are enter into the air, and they search for the food material, and they search for the food material, and they produces one germination tube. They forming one germination tube and enter into the host cell and they produces mycelium. So this is the sexual reproduction. So we can see the life cycle of the mucor. So I tell you once again. So the both strains, so we can see the picture. At the time of sexual reproduction, two strains are comes together, and plus strain and minus strain comes together, and they attached with each other, and that place is becomes to swallow, and both strain minus strain and plus strain fusions with each other, and they forms one zygote. So the zygote forms one round shape structure, and forming two layers, outer layer tuberculate layer and inner layer thin layer, and that shape, that round shape structure is called zygospore, and it has one diploid nucleus, and this diploid nucleus undergoes to meiosis division, and it is divided into 4 spores, and again it is divided into so many spores, and when the food is available, they produces one long elongated structure, and middle of the pot is called columella, and that is dome shaped structure, and columella covered by the sporangium. So the sporangium having so many spores, so many haploid spores, complete formation of spores, the outer layer ruptures, and the spores are called aplanospores. So they did not have any flagella, so they are called aplanospores. So that spores are enter into the food material, and they forms germination tube, and they produces mycelium. So this is mucor. Its common name is bread mold. So vegetative reproduction, fragmentation, chlamydospores, ionospores, and asexual reproduction, aplanospores. So the spores are enter into the air. Sexual reproduction. Thank you.